So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, click on start lab and wait for the time to get provision the resources. And if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. And now let's wait and we'll start the lab together. So once the page is ready, we have to just open the Cloud Console incognito window. So here, just open the Cloud Console incognito window. Let me show you how you have to do. And here we have to use the student id 1. Basically here we have to use the student id 1. So copy carefully, just click on next, just paste over here the password and hit enter again, and here just agree the terms and conditions, and now wait for the console to get ready. Here you need to do the I agree and continue. Now once all things are here, come to the task number 1. Basically this challenge lab is a little bit tricky and lengthy, so please pay attention to each and every steps. Now if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now from here on the search box, just type the AI applications and just open it. Open it carefully. Now by default here app page is live. Just click on the data store page. Basically we have to create a data store, so click on data store and here you will get the step-by-step guide. So here first of all you have to just select the cloud storage, and the kind of document will be, can you guess what kind of document it will be? It will be same. Now here basically we have to do some changes. That is, we have to try to import the, you can see here we have to import this folder. So just copy it here and just click anywhere, you will see this checkbox, then you can proceed. Now data store name is here, just copy the name carefully, paste over here, and here we have to update the document parsing. So just update it to layout parser and just click on create. Okay, you have to click on create, and after that we have to create an app also. So this video will be little bit lengthy, but you'll definitely get 100 out of 100 in this lab. This is my guarantee, until there is a glitch on Qwiklabs end. So here once this data store is now ready, come to the app section, click on create new app. Now from here you have to just come to the lab instructions, and here they have mentioned custom search. So click on it and here just mention the name and company name. Carefully check the lab instruction because sometimes they update the name also. And just copy and paste over here. Basically you have to enter it and click on continue. Now select the correct data store. Basically we have created this data store first for this model only, basically app only, then we'll select it, because as we proceed in this lab there will be multiple data stores, so we have to create according to it only. Click on create. Now here this thing is done. Now here what you need to do, go to the configurations, wait a second. From here just click on search with an answer and then save and publish. This is very important step. In upcoming some steps also we'll have to do, basically for the labs also, so you need to pay attention to it. Now here click on apps again, check the score for the task number 1. If you have followed the way I have done, you'll definitely get the score here. And if the score is not updating, try to wait for at least 1 minute or 2 minutes, then only try to check the score. Now here we have to create a structured data. Basically here you can see source are not mentioned, but we know the source. That is, if you are following this video, then you'll able to complete it. Create data store. This time it is BigQuery. Yes, it is BigQuery, and here you can see clearly it will be frequency will be periodic and the sync will be every day. Now the dataset path you need to understand. Click on browse, and from here wait for the page to load. It will be lab dataset. Okay, to just select the lab dataset or whatever mentioned on the lab instruction. And for the table, it will ask for table. It will be similarly order dataset, I think. Yes, order info. So just select it like this. If it is not visible, just search it. Now click on continue, and the data connector name will be this, structured data store. Just copy the name carefully and just make sure there is no extra space. Remove the extra space if it is there on any side. Now click on create and wait for it to get created. Here it is being created. Now finally created. Now click on the app section. From here just click on create app. Now the next thing is that you have to just click on custom search, and here I think we have to disable the generative search AI. No, we don't have to disable here, it is in the next step. So here we have to just wait a second, name the app and company. And then click on continue. After that we have to select correct data store. So as you know, we have created which data store in this part, so you have to select accordingly. If you have created Google Drive or you can see cloud storage, you have to just select like that only. For this we have created this structured data store, so we are selecting this. And if you try to check the score, you can just get the score. Here you can see they have mentioned it may take few minutes, so you can just wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then try to check the score. So you can see here we are not getting the score. Actually we missed one thing here. As I said earlier, we have to enable the search with answer in the configuration tab. So let's enable it together. So come over here and in the configuration section click on it, and from here basically we have to just change the search type, then save and publish. So finally the changes are saved. Now you can check the score. You'll definitely get the score without any issue. I am saying without any issue means no issue is there in this lab. Once you get the score, we have to move to the next step. Here we are creating a website app. So come to the app section and then click on the data store. Basically we have to follow this method only. Now click on create data store, and from here it will be website content. Now here we have to just come to bottom. We don't have to enable the advanced feature. Now for the sites to include, here you have to please pay attention to this step, because many of you may make mistakes like this. You have to just copy it like this, paste over here. Make sure do not enable the make sure do not mention the http etc or full stop etc. To just hit enter, and just like I'm doing, you have to just make sure there is no extra space, gap, anything. To just make sure to cross verify the sites to include and exclude also, whether all are correctly pasted or imported or not. Now just like this, follow the steps. Now again for the GitHub one also, just click on continue, and for the data store name, come over here, it's web-data store. Just copy the name and just paste over here and click on create. Now after that we'll be creating the web app, so just wait for it. You can see here it has been created successfully. Now here once it is created, go to the app section, and here we'll create a search with AI site. So just come to the app section, and from here click on create app, and here you can see search site AI mode. Just click on it, and for the app name you have to just copy the app name like this, paste over here. And for the website name, one more thing, you have to disable this general AI section. Now here company name, from here just select it, just click on continue. Now here we have to select correct data store. So which data store we have to select? We are creating a website, right? So we will select the web store. Yes, this data store we have to select, and it will be created. Just wait for it. So finally it is been created. Now once it is created, let's check the score. And as you can see here, we'll definitely get the score if you follow the way I have done. So you can see we got the score. Now here we have to run the cloud shell. Basically we'll run the command to initiate the cloud shell. So just activate your cloud shell like this and click on continue and just authorize yourself. Now once the cloud shell is ready, we will increase the font size first of all, so that every viewer can see. Now come to the lab instruction and copy it and paste over here and hit enter. It will take some time, so wait for it. Now again you have to come back to the lab instruction. Once it is done, we have to just run 2 more commands also. So I will show you how you have to do. Come to the lab instruction and just, okay, we don't have to run the commands. Okay, I got it. Here we don't have to run the commands. We have to just enable the permissions. So just click on this menu option. First of all, close the cloud shell. Click on this menu option IAM and just click on IAM and open in a new tab. Basically we have to enable the permission, basically admin permission to the discovery agent. Once the page is loaded, you have to just click on this checkbox, that is include the provided role grants. Now here just search Ctrl F and find the discovery engine. Just click on this pencil icon and here we'll be adding the role. So how you have to add it? Click on add another role, and for the role come above here and just copy the name carefully. Okay, just copy the name carefully and just paste on this filter. Just select it and just save it. Now once it is saved, we have to just create the data store. So come to the data section. Okay, first of all click on the app section, then come to the data store. This is the problem which I was telling about, to just open app again and again. Now here just click on create data store, and from here we have to just scroll down a little bit and you can see here healthcare API. You have to just select it and wait for this page to load, basically the data to load. Click on this and then come down over here, and here if you try to just continue, you will note the score. Just click on the Google. Now here for the data store name, copy the name carefully, paste over here and just click on create. Click on the app, then here you have to just create an app based on the healthcare API. So how will create? Just follow with me. Now for the app name, you can see here we have to just create an healthcare search app. So here it is, custom search one. Just click on it, and for the name come to the lab instruction and copy the name carefully. Now once you have copied the name, we have to enter the company name also. Company name, copy the name carefully and just paste over here. Make sure to remove this extra space or dot and just come down and click on continue and just select the data store and click on create and wait for it to get created. It will take few seconds to get created. Now here you can see import in progress, but if you try to check the score on the lab instruction, you may get the score without any issue. Now we have scored 60 out of 100. We will be scoring 100 out of 100. Okay. Now here we have to create a data store embeddings. Basically we are creating a custom embed app and basically custom embed search app. Just go to the apps again, and from here just click on this data store. Just click on this data store. Wait a second. Click on the data store. Now here you have to just click on create data store. Now again, what will be the data source? Can you guess? Cloud storage. And here basically we have to select the pdt files. I think just select this. Oh sorry, we don't have to select it. We have to select the project ID directly, and here we have to just select the JSON. Oh, I made one mistake. We have to select the file to import. Okay, file, click on it. Now again I did this mistake. No need to worry. Just click on this PRDS, click on this JSON and select it. Everyone makes mistakes, so it's okay. Now here just copy the name carefully, data store name, paste over here, remove this unwanted space and just click on create. Click on apps. Now here you have to just click on create app. So for the app here we are creating a custom search app. Okay, so just copy the first one. Okay, we have to select the first one, custom search. Here two custom search are available. One is healthcare one and one is normal. We have to create the normal one. Now for the name we have to just copy this name, and both the advanced and enterprise LLMs will be enabled only as they have mentioned. Now company name is also mentioned on the lab instruction. Copy it carefully, remove this unwanted space and just click on continue. Now data store, you must be knowing which data store we have to use. We have created just now within few minutes only. You have to just select it and just click on create. It will take few seconds and then it will be updated. So finally here you can see we are done with this particular task also. And I repeat, if you are not getting score, wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then retry, and if it is not working, just restart the lab. Now here we have to just again activate the Cloud Shell, and yes, this part is little bit tricky, so please pay attention to it. Meanwhile, open the app section and just click on the data store. Now from here come to the lab instruction and copy this command, and if Cloud Shell asks you to authorize yourself, you just click on the authorize button. Now once this is done, we have to just run another command. For another command, just run this command. Now once this is done, we have to run the authorize command. Basically we'll be signing in over here, so it will take some time, so wait for it. Here just paste the command and type Y and hit enter. Now click on this URL and just select your student account. You have to select your student, not personal one. Okay, now click on continue and just authorize yourself. Now just copy this code and paste on your Cloud Shell session and hit enter. Now finally we have created this. All these things are done. Now what you need to do, you can see over here we have to run this populate driver.py file. Now once it is done, you can see over here all the files have been loaded. Now we have to just come to the application page and do some settings over here, and we'll be creating our drive data store. So just come over here and just go to the settings, and from here you can see the global. You have to just select the Google identity and click on save. Now here this thing is done. Come over the data store page. We are creating one data store, basically Google Drive, I think so. Yes, select it and just click on continue. And for the data store name, it will be derived data store. Basically the names sometimes are updated according to the lab instruction, so just check the lab instruction for the real name only, and if the name is not updated, just click on this like I am doing. Now just create the app. Now for the app, you need to understand, we have to just enter the name drive search app. So here basically all these features are enabled. We have to just create a custom search app, and for the name we have to just paste the name like this. Now the company name, where will find the company name? It's present below only, you can see here. Just copy the company name carefully and just multi-region. Now here it will be multi-region, sorry, it will be the company name and the location will be global. Okay, now all things are done. Continue and select the correct data store. So for drive, we will select our drive data store and then click on continue. Now all these things are done over here. Now once you have done this, come to the lab instruction and check the score again. So here we have got 80 out of 100. Now here there are some glitches on this lab. Like sometimes what happens, we get the badge with 80 score only, and sometimes it takes longer time to get the score. So no need to worry, here we will complete 100 out of 100. And if you are still unable to get the badge, you can just contact the Qwiklabs support team. You can use the chat support. I will tell you how you can do. So first of all, let's complete each and every task. Basically here we have to just sign in using our second account. Basically you can see here on the lab palette there is username too, so we'll sign in using that only. Now one more important thing is that if the score is not updated, how to contact the Qwiklabs support. You can see over here question mark, just click on it and use the chat support option, or you can email them at support@qwiklabs.com regarding all the query. Now let's come to the lab instruction and complete the lab with ease of access. Now if you haven't liked the video yet, do like it and subscribe the channel. I hope you all are enjoying this challenge lab. And for other challenge GENAI labs, you can just check the video section of this channel. And if you want a dedicated playlist, you can comment down below. Now from here, click on add account, just click on leave. And for the name, come to here and just paste the name over here and hit enter. For the password again, just copy the password carefully and again hit enter. Now all these things are done, just click on I understand and the page will be loaded. Now here basically you need to verify that the second username is loaded or not. Basically second username is successfully logged in or not. We have to cross verify. So how will verify? You have to just use the Control F and just match the username. So once it's ready, go to the app section. And here basically we have to test each and every app one by one. So here just come over here and you can see it's drive search app. Now to verify, just copy the second username and first of all click on preview. You can see here Control F, the first username is available here, sorry, the second username is available here. Now just copy this prompt and hit enter. You have to just paste the prompt again and again and hit enter. Now here we are getting this kind of error. I think we have opened different app. So if it, yes, we have opened the rag search app. We have to open the drive app actually. So no need to worry about it. Let me clarify how you have to do the app section. And from here you have to just select, first of all close this if you have opened drive search app. Click on it and here you have to just preview it. You can see here you can preview directly or from here also you can preview it. Now just copy the query one by one and paste over here like this and hit enter. Now again run the another query, and if you try to check the score, chances are there we won't get the score, because actually we are not getting the score based on the one task only. We have to complete all the tasks. And in this lab there were some glitches, so please forgive me if you face any kind of error. Still I tried my best to make the solution working, so just follow along with me, you'll get the score. I know it will be little lengthier, still you'll get the score. And if you are have any query like you are not getting the badge, just reach out to the support I shared earlier. You have to just click on the question mark and email the support using your corporate email ID. Now here we have to just use the RAG search. So just come over here, go to the app section, and from here you can see the RAG search. Click on it and just click on the preview button. Just click on the preview button, and here basically you have to, on the search box, paste the prompt and hit enter. If you haven't copied the prompt, go to the lab instruction and copy it like this. And if you try to check the score again, you won't be able to get the complete score because we are facing issues. Sorry, basically we haven't completed all the steps mentioned on the lab instruction. So you need to follow each and every steps properly. Now come back over here, and here what we need to do, we have done the preview RAG search done. Now we will do the structured data search. From here just click on the structured data, and here click on the preview button. Now once you have clicked on the preview button, you have to just copy this query, carefully copy it and paste on the search box and hit enter. It will generate the response, and then we will just start the next step of this lab. Basically this is only the next step. All you can see the next data store or the app will preview. So here we have got this output. Now we have to use the website data store. So here just come to the app section, and from here you have to just click on the website data store like this. Website search, you have to click on it. Now from here click on the preview button, and just you can see here the string. Basically just copy this carefully, make sure there is no full stop or any extra space, and paste over here and hit enter. Now you can see we got the results, and now we have to just do the healthcare, same with the healthcare one. So here for the healthcare one, you have to just click on this healthcare. For the patient ID, come to the lab instruction and copy the patient ID carefully. Copy the patient ID carefully and click on preview. Now here on the search box, you have to just type the hemoglobin and hit enter. It will generate the reports, I think so. Yes, here they have updated the observation. Now the next step is that if you try to check the score, you won't be able to get a score. Sorry, I think it may be annoying for some of you, but still I am testing this task carefully. So here basically we have to share the folder for the drive task. We have already done the drive task, I think so. So now here we have to share the file named gen-app-build_search Stanford CS. You have to share this file. So what you need to do, you have to just open the Google Drive and just share with the second username. So just open the drive. Let me show you how you have to open. In the new tab, just type drive.google.com and hit enter. Now open the lab files. You have to just click on it, and you can see here, make sure cross verify. Wait a second. In the student fun ID, you can see here, just cross verify if the search box is not working. Just come here and just check the characters. So you can see here there is a difference. Now click on lab files, and here you can see this is the 224 folder. We have to just make it shareable. So just click on it. If you want to verify, you can use the Control F. And if it is not working, just try to use it. Now click on share, and for the email address, use the second email address, paste over here, add people and groups section, and just you have to just click on share. Okay, you don't have to add more people, so you have to just share it and just click on send button. Okay, just click on the send button. No need to worry about it, just remove the notify people section, and you can see here we are done with this part also. Now we are left with some more things. For come to the app section, now here it is the embedding search. We have not done this embedding search. So basically here all apps you have to just preview it and run it again and again. Click on the preview button, and now here you have to just use this do products use framework atlas. Just copy it and paste over here and hit enter. Now this thing is done. Now just click on this check my progress. If you follow the way I have done, you will definitely get the score without any issue. Now it is taking some time because the query was run initially just now. So just check the score again, and if you have run all the queries, you will definitely get the score. Please pay attention to the previous step and run each preview query one by one, one by one, one by one. And now here we will be doing the last task. That is basically two tasks are there, I think 95 and 100, 5 points. So first thing is that we have to just go to the AI application and to the rack dash data store and import a new PDF set. Okay, so basically the names may be differ, so always check the lab instruction for the name. And now here come to the app section. Here basically we have to click on the rack dash search, and then we have to just do one thing. You have to just click on the, wait a second, you have to just click on this configuration, I think so. No, it will be data only. So basically we are importing a new set of PDF. So just click on the import data. Once you click on it, just click on the cloud storage, and here it is a folder to import, not the file to upload. So just paste over here. Let me show you. You have to just paste it, click anywhere. You can see that we have got the checkbox. You have to select unstructured type. You can see they have not mentioned. Still just follow as I am doing. You will get the score without any issue. And again I am repeating, if you haven't liked the video and subscribe the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. Now here it is showing successfully scheduled import operation, and it will take 5 minutes to complete. Now you can do one thing, you can check the score for the lab. If you are getting the score, it is well and good, and if you are not getting the score, wait for at least 5 minutes and just try again. Now once this is done, we have to just delete the application data store, application and data store. So which application we have to delete? The structured one. So how will verify it? Come to the app section, and here you will see just for the category that whether it is structured or not. So you can see only one structured is here, so you have just click on it and just delete. Now here on the box just type yes, and then again if you try to check the score, we won't get the score. The reason is simple, we have just deleted a data store. We need to delete the application also. Sorry, I think I said the opposite. We have deleted the application, we have to delete now the data store also. Now again just type yes and then just click on delete. Now once it is done, we are done with this particular task, and that's how we completed this lab. If you like the way I have solved this lab, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead.